Hey everyone, this is What It Is, a place where we talk about how immigration law affects everyone and why immigration is a good thing. Today, we're going to answer the question, what is health-related inadmissibility? I'm Michael Ruttle, immigration attorney and founder at Ruttle Law PC based in Torrance, California, where we practice immigration law in all 50 states. What is health-related inadmissibility? It's a federal immigration law that states you can be denied a visa or a green card if you're found to have a disease, illness, or addiction that poses a significant risk to the public well-being. That's what it is. Historically, immigration law has excluded numerous people on health-related grounds. It's included terms like idiots, morons, lunatics. In fact, it wasn't even until 1990 that the terms homosexuality, chronic alcoholism, and mental retardation were removed from this ground of inadmissibility. Today, there are two ways you can be found inadmissible on health-related grounds. One is if you have what's called a Class A condition, and there are four ways you can be found to have a Class A condition. One is through what's called a communicable disease like tuberculosis or polio or some other very serious illness. Another way you can be found inadmissible on a Class A condition is if you don't have proof of all your vaccinations like measles, mumps, rubella, etc. You could also be found to have a Class A condition if you have a mental disorder that causes harm, physical harm to yourself or to others, or if you are a drug addict. Those are the ways you can be found to have a Class A condition. Also, if you apply for a visa at a consular post anytime between October 1st and March 31st of any given year, that's flu season, which means you're probably going to have to get a flu shot as well. The other way you can be found inadmissible on health-related grounds is if you have what's called a Class B condition. A Class B condition is considered to be a mental disorder that might not physically harm you or others, but it's significant enough to where it interferes with your school, your work, or requires you to be institutionalized at a severe or extreme level. Often there are ways that individuals can overcome this ground of inadmissibility. One way is by getting a medical exam through an approved immigration doctor, often called a civil surgeon. You can find those online. Another way is to get up to date on all of your vaccines or bring evidence with you that you have obtained all of the required immunizations, or you can apply for what's called a waiver of inadmissibility. That's something for another day. In addition to health-related grounds of inadmissibility, there are several other grounds that you must overcome in order to qualify for a visa or a green card. Health-related grounds are just one of them. Hopefully you found this information helpful in terms of health-related inadmissibility. If you have questions about whether your case is affected on health-related grounds of inadmissibility, contact an immigration attorney or Ruttle Law today to see how we can help you. Hopefully you found this information helpful. If you did, hit that like button, click that bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on how immigration affects everyone and why immigration is a good thing. As for health-related inadmissibility, hopefully you have a better understanding of what it is. Until next time, I'm attorney Michael Ruttle. Keep climbing that mountain.